Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a simple eyeshadow look using the Colourpop Honey palette. The inside looks like that. It has the mirror protector, which I usually don't really take off, but it has it on there just to keep the eyeshadows from getting on the mirror. But yeah, so I love this palette because of the yellows. I have brown eyes, super dark brown eyes, so a great complement to brown eyes is a yellow or purple eyeshadow. So that's what we're gonna do today. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Before you leave, go ahead and leave a comment down below what you think of this eyeshadow look. Any more ideas you have for me, a simple hello, it all helps. And again, don't forget to like. Take time right now. Take time to like my video. Take time to like my video. Okay, so we're gonna move forward now. So before I start using my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. Looks like that. And I'm going to apply that to my eye. So now that I have you guys a little bit closer, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my eye. Make sure you get that inner corner. And then I'm also going to put that up here in my crease. So that ends up looking like that. You really can't see it. That's not the purpose of it. The purpose of it is to make your eyeshadow colors more vibrant, which with yellow you want to make more vibrant and make your eyeshadows last longer. First, I am gonna go in with, in the palette, the shade Stinger. Looks like that. And I'm gonna apply that to my entire eye. A Lorac brush, it's a double-ended. Usual brush. That's like my standard brush, like that I always use. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply this to my entire eyelid. I just say that it's setting my primer. I mean, that's basically what it's doing. Okay, so I put that on my whole entire lid. Next time I'm gonna go in with the shade Totally Buggin', which is right here. I'm gonna apply that into my crease. Again, doing that windshield wiper motion, blending it into my crease. Okay, so it looks like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with Buzzkill, which is like a darker brown color. And I'm gonna put that in my outer crease. If you notice, I am not going any further than here with that color. So that looks like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sweet Spot. It's a yellow right here. I'm gonna take the smaller end of my brush here and I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. So it looks like that. And I'm just pushing that into my eye. So that looks like that. I'm gonna go back into Totally Bugging and put that in my crease just to blend that yellow so it's not a harsh line. And I'm gonna go like that too. Looks like that. So now I want to add some shimmers. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take a flat brush to apply that, and I'm gonna get it wet as well. I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. It is a strawberry scent. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. Dandy. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lid now. Next I'm going to take the glittery shade here, Palooza, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. Let me just add. Next I'm going to take a Luxie 209 brush. I am going to now dip into Totally Buggin' again. I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes. But now that those are curled, I'll go ahead and apply my mascara. Alright, so this is the finished eyeshadow look. This look was completed using the Colourpop Honey palette. And there's what it looks like. Alright, let me zoom you guys out. Alright, so ignore the side of my face. The products I used were the Colourpop Honey palette, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and an eyelash curler from the Dollar Tree. So take some time now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below, or anything else you want me to do. Thank you for watching.